Year was 1985. Men had mullets, women had puffed up hair, cassettes were still a thing, and it was golden era of Group B rallying. Four-wheel drive was higher in demand on the market, and Audi Quattro was most known of them and dominating completely at the scene at the time. So naturally somebody at BMW said, we shall take the Z part of the market. And so was born 325 iX with constant four-wheel drive. The transfer box on this car was made by Ferguson. Yes, that Ferguson who makes plowing machines. And the power was split 37% at the front and 67% in the back. Differentials on this car is also different than E30 version. They came with viscous couplings inside. There was no options to manually lock them, meaning you would get a feeling of rear-wheel drive car, which would lock between 10 and 100%. Now, at the first glance, this might look like any other E30, but there is a huge differences. Main one being at the tunnel, which is much wider to accommodate the transfer box for it. And when we go at the front, the turrets for the front suspensions were also moved a little bit forward. The underbody complete mounting points were different, and it was different to that point that you couldn't mount regular E30 wheels on this car. Sharing points with E30 was, of course, the engine, straight 6, 2.5 liter with a gearbox, producing around 168 horsepower, 222 Newton meters of torque, and it shared some of the trims outside and body panels. What makes it so rare? There was only 15,000 of them ever produced, and somebody in the UK went, we can't have everybody else having fun, we want some fun too. So this car is right-hand drive. BMW dealerships in UK converted 12 of these cars on a right-hand drive, but at some point they were recalled back to the factory in Germany because of steering issues, and 2 of them were completely scrapped. There was 10 of them left, and one is here in Ireland, and we are restoring it bolt by bolt.